Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now by confirming the Xbox 360 has an HDMI output. If it doesn't, use the correct adapter. Next, power down both the console and the TV so connections register cleanly. Gather a quality HDMI cable and pick an open HDMI input on your HDTV. Once done, position the console near the TV so the cable reaches without tension, and make sure your controller has batteries or is connected via USB so you can navigate menus after boot. You plug one end of the HDMI cable into the Xbox 360 HDMI OUT port and the other end into the chosen HDMI in on the TV. Then power on the TV and use its input selector to choose that HDMI port. After that, turn on the console so the signal appears. Once the dashboard loads, go to System Settings right arrow display. Set resolution to 720p or 1080p, depending on your TV, and ensure HDMI audio is enabled. You now confirm everything works by launching a game or browsing the dashboard to check video and audio quality. Make small tweaks to brightness or overscan if needed. Update the console when prompted so firmware supports modern TVs, and save your chosen resolution so it sticks on restart. If you see no picture or sound, the key troubleshooting tip is to swap the HDMI cable or try another TV HDMI port, and then power cycle the console and TV. Connectivity often fails due to a bad cable or incorrect input selection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.